What's up, family? Just got back from the skate shop, Kingswell, Las Feliz skate shop, and I got myself some brand new shoes to test out. You see, I got a mic now. We're stepping it up every single day, you know, getting better. But today I'm not by myself. I'm actually here with a guest. Her name is Skater Girl Fresca. Come on in.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh.
What's up, homie?
What's up?
How's it going?
Good.
Shredding it up.
How we doing? Everything?
Chilling right now. You know, it's kind of cold. The sun keeps hiding in the clouds, you know?
Yeah, it keeps hiding, but it's coming back because we brought the sunlight.
That's what's up, man. You guys don't know Nelly Fresca. I'm about to post some clips of her, but she shreds, she kills it. She fucking throws down like crazy, yup.
Crazy.
She's gonna help me out with unboxing these shoes. You know, these are ASICS Japan Pros, the white/illusion blue.
Yeah, actually, I heard once you start skating them, they actually turn blue.
What?
That's my favorite color too. Shit.
For real?
Yep.
Dang.
Now
Ain't
you're
that
skating in
something?
blue.
That's right, LA blue. You already know what it is. So let's check it. Look. Check it out.
You gotta skate with them.
Damn, look at these shoes. They look pretty dope.
Compare them to my whites.
Oh.
These are.
I don't think your shoes are turning blue. They're
Hey, these are the.
turning out.
Yeah, the blackouts. That's what these are.
Well, I mean, they feel good. The grip is crazy. What do you think about the grip?
The grip. Damn. Grippy.
That's why we have you here. Skater Girl Fresca knows what grip is.
Yeah.
So let's try them on. Let's put them on and see what's up.
Really good. Let's get it. Let's go.
Yeah, let's check it.
Let's get it. This is for you.
Hey, girl Fresca, let's see you rip, girl. Woo! What? I told you she shreds. Nah. Yeah, that's right. True skaters wouldn't fall to that. So what you think?
Well, look at the shoes from all the kick flips I've been doing.
What? They've been turning blue? What?
Yup.
Alright, so that's it, y'all. The shoes were fantastic. Very boxy, very roomy. But one thing I would suggest is that you get an insole for the shoe. As you saw, Skater Girl Fresca was ripping in them shoes, man. But hey, don't take it from me. Get yourself a pair and check it out. Until the next pair. Dog flew out. Peace.